Welcome to this video walkthrough of a 3-bed, 2-bath in the Cambridge, Somerville border, like right on the line. So we've already seen a few windows, a couple of views, really nice views, a very unique kind of living room space right there. And here's the kitchen. So open concept kitchen with the living room, but there's a pretty good amount of space between the two. As you can see, decent furnishings, dishwasher, looks like a new stove, plenty of cabinets up top, below. All right, more windows, catching that beautiful sunset sky. All right, into one of the bathrooms right here. So you got your vanity toilet, little window, frosted window, standing shower tub combo. Into the hallway, small little pantry or linen closet. Bedroom 3. So as you can see, hardwood floors throughout. Lots of windows, radiator heating, so that's heat and hot water included. Sliding door closets. That's bedroom 3, and then bedroom, before we go in bedroom 2, lots of quirky closet space here. Bedroom 2, okay, this is the one with, I guess you would call it the master bedroom because it actually has the bathroom, like a private bathroom right here. Standing shower. All right. Toilet. Window. Sink. Vanity. All right. Closet. That's the egress, so the emergency exit. And bedroom number 1. Pretty standard, 2 windows, overlooking the street, good sized closet. And this would be on the 2nd floor. There's not laundry in the building, but literally right next door, there's a laundromat. Street parking, and hope you enjoyed the video tour. If you have any questions, please reach out to Angel at Leopold McMaster's Realty.